Hey everyone, welcome back to cryptosonic YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share a new profitable network that has the name Verida network that can be upgraded from IPFS to a real database because Verida has built self-sovereign data network, allowing the developer to build a feature-rich Web3 application where user can use on their data. So you can start in this video that how does it work, what is the value of decentralized network of storage node that are using in Web3 apps, and how can user enable them via their encrypted document database. In this video I will share each and everything. Before that, if you are new on my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon for earning related and upcoming videos notification so you can participate and then get a lot of knowledge that is very valuable. So the most self-sovereign data infrastructure for the Web3 is Verida network, a database that should be decentralized network storage node for the Web3. And here you can see database like this is the feature fast comment. Here is advanced security and trust, like you can work on this player as your data are safe, encrypted, and no one can hack, no one can steal your data because this is unlimited scaling and queries, indexes, self-host, and regulatory compliances. If we click on the identity to see that how much they have more features that will urge the user to come on this stage because this is the fast leveraging on Polygon. Identities take 10 seconds to create while read and write take 1 second via Verida storage network. It is more fast than ever I have seen the platform. Now you can see that the next feature is it is very low cost, a small ones of transaction on Polygon to create an identity with unlimited free read and write. So you can also participate in this because there is also deletion, and here is also like key revocation deployed on Polygon chain is a highly scalable and low cost trusted Polygon POS network. So you can see this is also having more feature than I have ever seen. This is also having the messaging that is very personalized, secure, trusted. You can see the extension as well for the single sign-on data connect variable credential and data sharing and username. So here is also soul bond tokens, zero knowledge credentials. So there is also a power to own, control, delete every part of your digital footprint. So friend, the next one is about like it is the first self-sovereign data network that enable developer to build application where user to manage their identity, crypto data, reputation. So here is also something that you should need to learn about this project, how to develop 100% decentralized apps leveraging user personal data. So here is also you can participate, you can get the earn token reward, run nodes, apply for grants as well. You have to join their community. So next one is about the get started, like you can download their app as a wallet, Verida wallet, that you can choose. You will see this is the interface where you can get the NFTs. Here is also account explorer. You can app, you can open it, you can get the latest information about this project that a journal article has been written on Verida network. So next one is about connected with us like developer portals, GitHub, Discord. You can join them on their Discord, other social media link that will help you. So friend, next one is about like Twitter, Telegram, Medium, LinkedIn. All these social media link will be provided you in the video description. You can follow them easily. Next one is about you can sign up. In this video I will share each and every step that you should need to know how to use, how to get started. So don't skip any part of the video. Next one is about like you can see here something about the articles revolutionizing Web3 storage, a deep dive into IPFS and Verida DB store, like the database store in today's digital world. Data storage is a crucial component for all applications, but here is also some guide information. How is the Verida database store different from IPFS? So IPFS is emerging de facto standard for the storing data in Web3, and with the database store is the first self-sovereign database infrastructure. So you can see that the feature IPFS doesn't contain, but Verida contain. You can see data structure, here's encryption, permission, time to store, suitable PII, and real-time signing. Architecture has been shared with you. You can see the addressable and document storage that vary the content type of security. Here is also some other scenarios that you should need to know, because this is the better version than IPFS. So here is also some other articles that you should need to know if you are interested to get more knowledge about this network. Friends, I want to share with you that Verida is a multi-chain protocol with an interoperable database storage, messaging built on the decentralized identity where personal data is owned, controlled by the user. So you can manage your profile, you can create your own data with a decentralized blockchain. So you can also do every feature that you want to own in your blockchain, and you can also do, you can manage your app, you can build your database on this project. So you can also get download in the App Store, Google Play Store. Link has been provided in the video description. Just click on it and download the app, and I'll share the method soon. Next one is about like decentralized identity, like decentralized identity ID. Here is self-sovereign data storage messaging. These are the features that every platform doesn't own, but this Verida has come with new update with new concept like design principle. You can see this is the network architecture. So here is also application architecture. One application can be built. So next one is about account identities, data storage, how to do messaging, what is the architecture, what are the schemas that will follow, and you can get the tutorial also, like what is the introduction, how does it work, why it has been created. All these type of question has been shared in this introduction, so you can click on it. And this is also data sharing, like you can offer a lot of flexibility control around data access. So here is also experimented experiment with API that is allowable, and each code can be editable. So here is also some other details like what is database, data encryption, data stores, data validation difference. So all these type of detail can be seen. You can request data, you can see the client SDK. Like you can also see this is the source implementation of the network client providing the encryption storage. So this is also working about the identity messaging schemas capability. It is an easy to use for the ability that abstract the complexity behind the capabilities. Why it has been created? Because Node.js Java client, a package that can be used in web browser or Node.js environment. So here is also some other terms that is shown. How it work? You can see that this is authorized by the users. This is created of the user database. Here is also reading and writing data, sending message. All these details has been shared. You can also find other API documentation, infrastructure extensions like personal data bridge, and here is also API where you can find the Verida JavaScript library, its module, its classes, its interfaces, its extra glossary. You can find these detail here. Next one is about the website where you can download easily. Here is also Polygon based ID in the Verida wallet that can be created, search of identity, decentralized messaging, crypto NFTs wallet. So you can create all these by this create Verida.io. So here is also app, a demo video has been shared, and there is a lot of tutorials on YouTube. If you want to get any guide, you can just search and get the videos and follow them. Next one is also about like participate, learn, test, and get be rewarded. So here is also connect the Verida network. If you want to connect, then you can see that scan this QR scanner code mobile phone, and this will be sign in successful. On the boarding, here is also like how to create, how to update your profile. You can find it and you can do the mark it down, and never you can follow them on the social media link as well. There is also stress testing the network you can join them. And next I'll so friend, here is also mission 2 coming soon. Some other features that you will see in next future. Here is Verida missions that is now live. Join the mission and pave a way to for decentralized future. Verida mission now live. You can be a participant, you can be a member of their community for a long journey with actively shape the future of data with the ownership of users. So you can build, you can see this is the a more equitable data economy that the end user can interact with the and also there is staking, there is conclusion how to get started on these details. Next one is about one profile for every you, like you can join them for the waiting list. You can put your email, polygon wallet address and Twitter handle options. You can click on this like recapture, click on the subscribe, and this way you can be a subscriber. When the wait list will be started, you will be notified. You can see this is the showcase yourself, one place, one URL. You can download their app. You can see this is the NFT based Web3 and create your identity share with the publicly or private. You can do your content, you can create, you can also one feed many sources is available. And here is also waiting list that is waiting for you, developer friendly. It is also built on the Verida. Next one is also like we have shared with you. Next one is also about the intro that we have shared with you, like you can get the journals and updates, the article that we have written with the missions, their personal and experience. So you can see that there is also ownership, affiliation activities, social entities, and across the web platform they are trying to do some big. So with the one you can do unlock the your reputation, create your all identity, showcase your web3 identity on, create all data built on community trust. You can do anything on this platform because this will be happen, and this is working on global level. So you will be participants. So now we go back to our home, like home screen of our mobile, and let's show you that how does it work, how can you be a member, and how to sign up on their wallet. So let's start and let's move the home page of our mobile screen. So friend, after coming on the Play Store, you have to search Verida wallet. When you will download, then you have to click on the open button. You will find this is the interface Verida, where you have to give some permission, and then you have to click on the get started welcome. Here you can see your get your identity. You have to click on the accept and terms and condition. You have to click on the create identity. Here you can set the publicly name that your friend can be seen. So here I have put down the publicly name. Click on the next. Here you can select the country in which you are living now. So I click on it and giving my country, then click on the next button. Here you can see that building your identity, creating your decentralized identity, creating your public profile, and connecting to your storage node. So here you can see that it is now in progress. When it will be done within 3 to 5 or maximum 10 minutes. Now friend, you can see that within 30 second to 1 minute, two step has been done, creating your decentralized identity, connecting to your storage nodes. Now our profile that is public is now creating. When it will be done, now friend, you can see that our public profile has been done and all the steps. Now click on the connect or done button. When it will be connect, then you have to set a pin code of 6 digit or 4 digits. So I click on, and again click on this as a confirm. Now you can see that this is our test net, where you can set your authentication as a thumb impression also. So you can put it, and then you can see this is now recording your seed phrase. You can record now or later you can done it. So this is also a test net, where you can see this is your profile. So this is our asset platform, where you can see this is our multi-chain coin wallet with 4 addresses: Ethereum, Matic, Algo. Here you can also receive, you can send your Matic on to address, then you can receive also by this QR scanner code or this copy the address that is up
the QR scanner you can share with your friend also. So this is the method that you have to do. Next, you can see the connection with Facebook, Twitter, that you can follow. Here is credential, contact, shopping, document, social. All these data has been shared. Next one is about your profile, and here is also like when it will be done. So this is now my profile with having the name, country, description. Here you can see this is the DID, like you can see this is our decentralized identity. Here is also unlock the Verida one. You can also invite your friend, you can click on it, and here you can put the invitation code as well. So I hope that you have cleared how does it work. You can choose, this is your testnet, you can add into next one. This is also giving you an opportunity with credential, contact, database, and here is connection, and your collectible can be seen here when you have the NFTs like this blockchain and other assets. So I hope that you have cleared. See you next video. Till then.